Hello and welcome back to the Learn Adobe Experience Design CC course. In this lesson we're going to be taking a look at adding text in Adobe XD. So we have our layout started here. Let's select the text tool in the toolbar on the left. And there's two ways you can add text. You can simply left click anywhere on the artboard and start typing. Or you can left click and drag to create a text box, and then as you start typing you'll see the lines wrap as it hits the edge of the text box. So then as we adjust the size of the text box, it adjusts where the line breaks are. So with the text selected, you can specify your font, font size, font weight, and your alignment, and a few other options here like line height and character spacing. So let's just move this text up here into this left rectangle, and I'm going to decrease the size. And now I can drag this text box in and you'll see that it starts wrapping. So let's bring that up, just close that up a little bit. You'll see that if you do close it up too far, your text will disappear because it can't fit in the box. So something like that should be fine. And then if we select our text and go to Edit, Duplicate, and hold Shift, we can drag that straight down. And I'm actually going to change the size of these. So I'm going to change the size to 10. And then we can bring those both in, and you'll see the text again wraps the lines correctly. So let's type some subcopy here. It's all really imaginative stuff that I'm writing. I'm sure yours will be much better. So there we go. We can double click on our text box to select all the text within it quickly, and we can then specify a fill color. So a darker one for the title. Let's make this bold as well, and then the subtext, let's make that this color here. So you can use the sliders again to select your text color, or you can specify a 6-digit hex color as well. And you can move those up. So you can move these by dragging with your mouse or using the arrow keys. Now let's select both of these boxes by holding Shift and just dragging down, just to give us a little bit more space for some more text. So we'll select this top text box again. And we can go to Edit, Duplicate, and drag that down holding Shift. Double click to edit the contents of this text box. And let's type in a fictional price. And we'll increase the size of this to 16. And then again, we'll go to Edit, Duplicate, and hold Shift to drag that straight across. And we'll decrease this back down to 10. And this is going to say /month. So 999 euros per month. And let's make that one regular. Zoom in nice and close just to check that everything is lined up and spaced nicely apart. And there we go. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson.